Let's see, Pace, have you fared well with condos using creative financing, and generally what is the risk of loan acceleration? So what Ahmed is talking about on loan acceleration is what is called a due on sale clause, that literally every mortgage in the country has a due on sale clause inside of it. That's also called a loan acceleration. So condos are challenging. We have a handful of condos, but condos are challenging based on one thing. The thing that you're challenged on is the HOA or the association fees. A lot of times on condos will kill the cash flow. So what you do is you don't turn those into rentals, you turn those into wraps, where you have an end buyer move in there, and the end buyer is typically willing to pay for those higher association dues because you finance them the house. They don't have to go out and get their own financing at any point. So loan acceleration, due on sale clause. I'm not going to be one of those guys that tells you that due on sale clause doesn't happen, because I have had the due on sale clause happen to me. I know exactly how to get rid of it. And also, this is kind of an interesting thing. I'm part owner in a company called Equity Assurance, where that company, we provide basically insurance against the due on sale clause. So let's say, Antoine, the due on sale clause gets called. The bank finds out you transferred ownership. The bank calls you, the new owner, and says, we're foreclosing on you because you're not the person we originally financed, and we're going to call the note due. That's the acceleration of the loan. Right. What our company will do is we will negotiate with the bank on your behalf, and if we fail, we'll just refinance the mortgage out with the exact same terms, and then the payment that you make every month is no longer going to the mortgage company, it's going to us. I have zero worry about the due on sale clause. We know how to handle it. And worst case scenario, I end up refinancing it out, and then you just pay us a monthly bill, and guess what? We make interest, we make money on the money.